Hello kids. Alphabets A, B, C. A to O, A to O. Blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, orange color, brown color, green color, dark green color, pink color, violet color, sky blue color, pink color. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for fish. G for green. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.